To add languages to the keyboard of your Samsung Galaxy S26, you're going to open up the Settings app. Then you're going to scroll and select General Management, and then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. From here, select Languages and Types, and then tap on Manage Input Languages. You'll have pre-downloaded language packs available, so you can just tap on those toggles to add them to the keyboard. You can only have 4 languages added at a time, so keep that in mind whenever you're adding languages. Alternatively, if you don't see your chosen language listed here, you can scroll down and download one of these available language packs to your device just so that you can add it to your keyboard. Once it's downloaded, it should automatically be enabled and added to your keyboard. When you're happy with how it looks like, you can now just tap on the back button. And now, whenever you bring up the keyboard on your phone, whenever you press on the language icon, you can choose any of the options available and start typing with that specific one. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.